Hey, today in the Golden State Garage, I'm going to show you 3 ways to remove nails. Finished nails that are in a piece of trim, a great tool to remove it is an end nipper. Grab a hold of it by the side and simply roll the nail out. You can also use diagonal cutters. Don't pinch too hard because you can cut it. For bigger nails, like these 16s, oftentimes use the same technique. If you can get some separation in the wood like we were able to do here, you can beat the board back in the other direction to raise the head. Then you can get a pry bar on it. Like here in real life. Get back behind the door jamb here, pull it out, tap it back, leaves the nails proud. If the nail's sticking too far up and you can't get real good leverage on it, put another block under it. But sometimes they're just embedded in there like ticks and you just can't get them out. That's where you get the cat's paw with a sharp pointed edge. Place it right behind the nail. Quick tap down, another tap, a couple taps, and as the point of the cat's paw penetrates the wood around the nail, keep tipping up until you're underneath it. You'll dig that thing right out of there. You get a bigger lever on it.
And there it is, about an hour and a half worth of my time, netted me 13 8-foot 2x8s at a value of about, maybe $120, $130. But they're perfectly straight and they're totally dry. So the question is, what am I going to make out of all this reclaimed lumber? Stick around to the Golden State Garage to see.